Good morning, Willow Springs. I'm Kay Roberts.
And I'm Audrey Self.
Our fifth graders had a great day observing our fine arts here at Willow Springs.
And today is the last day to order a yearbook. Don't be left out.
Just what is it with the Stanley Cup phenomenon? Social media influencers made this cup quencher all the rage for middle schoolers. We take a look.
Stay tuned for part 3 of our interview with LISD Board Secretary Jeff Wood.
There's a new interactive movement game in the library. We explore Active Floor.
Our basketball teams take on Allen Curtis, and we are getting closer to the Super Bowl.
All this and more coming up on WSMS News.
Welcome back. This is Willow Springs News. Well, we lucked out again and avoided another day off from school.
We've got great news in the weather next week. After a week of a good cold soaking, I see sunshine ahead and 60s.
Thanks, Roman. And now for our top story.
The giant Stanley tumblers you see all over social media are flying off shelves, with some people even camping out overnight to snag the new Quencher water bottles. But why?
I wonder what the next craze will be.
Do you have a Stanley?
Yeah, I do. Do you have a Stanley?
Yeah. How many do you have?
I have 9. How many do you have?
4. Speaking of hydrated, it was a busy weekend with NFL, and these players have to stay extra hydrated. And a famous soccer player comes to Dallas.
And Sports Illustrated is soon to be no more. The iconic sports magazine that's been around for decades announces it's laying off its entire staff. For those stories and more, here's WSMS Sports.
It's a 2-person race on the Republican side in the race for the White House.
The Supreme Court tells the state of Texas to remove razor wire on the border. With those stories and more, here's what's making headlines. When we come back, we have part 3 of our interview with the School Board Secretary Jeff Wood.
Plus, a look at the new interactive floorboard in the library. But first, a commercial break.
Have a good day, and remember,
Let birds roar as one! Roar!